What's up, guys? Terrence Mackey here, back with another video, back with another TikTok mukbang. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment, guys, to my YouTube. The link is in my bio. And don't forget to follow me here. And let's get into the video. Today, guys, let me unwrap this. Alright, today, guys, I am trying KFC's new menu item, guys. And I have their chicken and waffles. I don't know if you guys can see, so I'm just gonna rip it open. Look at that, guys. Ooh, it smells chicken and waffly. Chicken and waffles, and then I also got the macaroni and cheese. Here's the waffle. Look like a Belgian waffle. And then you get a thigh and a drum, or you can do chicken tenders. Okay. So then I also got these delicious strawberry pies. They're like a strawberry cream pie. And then you get a 4-piece. Okay, so I'm gonna just save that. Let's get right into the video. Should have brought some pepper in here. I like dark meat, guys, so that's how I eat mine. They got Miss Butterworth, guys. Look at that. Let's try it. It's pretty good. It's thick. It's a thick waffle. Sweet. Is it the best waffle I ever made? No. I mean, had? No. But it's good. It's like a Belgian waffle. It's almost like, I don't know if you guys ever been to Jamba Juice or Starbucks, I think it is, but they have like those waffles that have like a crispy sugar on it. Oh, I'm trying to get this to work out without breaking it. And it's kind of like that. Okay. Use some pepper, but it's good. It's good enough.